Welcome to our bread maker showcase. Today, we'll explore the top bread makers available on Amazon. Discover how these machines can make baking fresh, delicious bread at home easy and convenient. Let's dive in. Known for its easy cleanup, this bread maker features dishwasher-safe parts and pre-programmed settings, including options for gluten-free and whole-grain bread. Ideal for small households or those with limited counter space, this mini bread maker produces pound loaves and includes multiple settings for various types of bread and dough. This compact and affordable bread maker is easy to use and store, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. It provides consistent results and features a variety of settings for different types of bread. This versatile machine offers a large loaf size, an intuitive interface, and customizable settings, including an automatic fruit and nut dispenser. It's perfect for bakers who like to experiment with different recipes. This bread maker is renowned for its consistent and nearly flawless results. It features dual kneading blades and a rapid bake setting, making it ideal for those who want high-quality bread with minimal effort.